back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a trend. I never do trends, but my media manager told me about this trend and it's literally what I already do, and it is called the clean girl aesthetic. So we're gonna be doing that today. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to basically look put together and clean all the time, even if you don't do much of anything. The clean girl aesthetic, I've seen like several different videos on TikTok, and to me personally, clean girl aesthetic means that you are just like pure and clean. Like you don't have on any makeup, you kind of just like woke up like this and you just look really put together, you smell good, you look good. Well, I am gonna get right into this video. I'm gonna be giving you guys a lot of rewind back. I'm gonna be getting into a lot of tips and tricks and things that works for me to kind of just always look like I just woke up like that. This is just how I look. The first thing that I'm gonna start with is my hair. I'm looking really crazy right now. I have my hair in these two twists because I washed my hair yesterday. So we're gonna go ahead and just get these two twists out, and because I don't want to be in the video looking like this. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna first start with my hair. Maybe other people start with their face first, but to me, I don't want my hair to be in my face, and I'm gonna be putting my hair back. So as you guys see right now, my hair is down. So this is my hair, guys. I didn't put anything in my hair except for I washed my hair with the pink honeysuckle shampoo, and then I put on the pink honeysuckle mask, and my hair feels, no joke, my hair feels so soft. As you guys can see, I literally don't have any product in my hair, and look how voluptuous and just pretty everything looks, and it's so soft. Tip number one, use really good products when you're doing your hair so that your hair does look healthy already. You don't have to do a lot of work to make your hair look healthy. It literally is healthy, and the way to do that is just to keep nice clean products in your hair. So with my hair right now, like I said, I'm going to be putting it back. So let's go ahead and do that. Spray a little bit of water on here. Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take some conditioner, and I'm using today the Innate Life Herbal Conditioner, and this is for thick and curly hair. Love her products. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my hair. Pull my hair down so I can kind of like elongate it. All right, so next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to put a cream on my hair. I'm using the Nourish by Shantae Angelic Cocoa Curl Creator Cream. All right, so I'm taking a little bit of that because this is a thick cream. You don't want to use too much, but this is also super moisturizing. It just makes your hair really soft, so I'm just putting it on my hair. As you guys can see, I'm laying the foundation for my hair. Someone left a comment on my video the other day, and they were like, oh, you know, buns are, I heard they're not the healthiest for your hair. So yeah, I completely agree with that comment. But if you are laying your foundation the correct way, using really good products, and then not doing your bun very tight, even though you can look put together but not do those like really tight buns where it's pulling your hair, then you'll be okay. And as well, you don't want to wear the bun constantly. Just give your hair a break in between, and your hair won't like react bad to it. Put on moisturizing products when you're wearing a bun. It's a lot better for your hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the Gaia Dreams Deep Restore Nectar, and I'm just going to put that all over my scalp because I like for my scalp to look nice and hydrated too. So this is a hydrating oil. Put it on my fingertips and rub it all in my hair. I'm going to put a gel in my hair, guys. So I just put a gel in my hair that I don't like, so I'm not going to put it in this video, but typically I would use my Angelic Cocoa Clear Course Jelly. Okay guys, so tip number, I don't know what number we're on, but I use a silk scrunchie on my hair as well on the buns because it doesn't, you know, make your hair fall out. So right now I have a white scrunchie on my hair that is silk, and then I'm gonna take this scrunchie that is silk as well, and you can find these on my website. Pull my hair up into a bun, and I split my hair into two, and then I wrap it around. So next thing I go ahead and do is I always put a silk scarf on my hair, and I'll just let my hair set for a while. Okay guys, so I just washed my hands because I'm about to start on my face. And the first thing that you want to make sure of is when you're working on your face for this clean girl aesthetic. So if you're going to be wearing makeup, then you would just do a very, very light makeup look. And I mean very light, to where it looks like you don't even have on makeup. I don't wear makeup on a regular basis at all, and I never wear makeup. I'm gonna just be showing you guys what I do to make sure that I still look really nice, because I don't wear makeup, I had to make sure that I do like my foundational products on my face the right way. First thing I do is spray my face with water, and yes, this is in a pink bottle, but this is just regular water. Rose water breaks me out, so I don't use rose water on my face. So the next thing that I use, you guys have seen this on my channel so much, it's like my favorite moisturizer ever, and that is the Pharmacy Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer that I've ever used. Like, honestly, it just works so well on my skin. So don't get at me at the comment section. I know that I don't put my moisturizer on the right way. I just throw it all on. I don't know if this is the correct way to kind of like do your products, but this is what works for me. I forgot to put my toner on before I started doing my moisturizer. Usually I do that first, but it's fine. I'm just gonna take this toner by Amazonia. It has a lot of herbs in it, so this is like a really good toner, and very, very nice packaging as well. Get the hydration and moisture onto your face. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this lash serum on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows as well, just to kind of like, I don't know, I don't really know if this does too much, but I do this sometimes. Fun fact, I've never had my eyebrows arched. So the next thing here is to make sure that you look nice and glowy. So as I mentioned, I don't have on anything to kind of like, what is it called? Highlighter and stuff like that. So I am going to use a glow oil. So I wish I can recommend this to you guys, but I don't have this anymore on my website. There are other glow oils that I have here that I'm going to let you guys know about. So the first one is this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. This is more of a matte glow though. It's not like a shimmery, like, oh, glowing. It's kind of like if you turn a certain way, you'll see the glow. So that's what this is. If you want like a more of a matte glow, then you will like this one. Then if you want more of like a subtle natural glow that is very, very subtle, then you would use the Versed Stroke of Brilliance Brightening Serum. Like I said, it's very, very subtle. So let me see if I can try just like a little bit just to show you guys how subtle it is. So this is what it looks like. What does it smell like? It has a very light smell. So I just put it on my hand here. Try to rub it in as much as I can. Yeah, you guys see? The glow is okay, but this is my favorite. This is the glow oil that is gonna make you look nice and shiny, and it also has hydration in it, so it's not just oil that you're putting on and then it's gonna be gone within 5 minutes. It's actually like a hydrating oil. So what I do is I put that on, as you guys see, I put it on my shoulders. And then I put it on my chest area as well. Next thing I do is I put it all over my face. And I only use like 2 to 3 drops. And this also seals in all the products that I just put on my face. So last thing is you want to make sure that you're wearing a nice and natural deodorant as well, right? So I have the Hey Humans deodorant here. Hey Humans deodorant is like one of my favorite deodorants, like honestly. Also, you can use like a natural perfume or something that's really light but also makes you smell really good. You can do that as well. My oil that I just used smells like cherries, so I'm not going to put on any perfume today. I'm using the Laneige sleep mask. So of course this is a sleep mask, it's not an actual balm. So I have the Laneige balm and it's gone. I used it all, so I had to use this one. See that? Natural, nothing over the top. Alright, so the last sort of like step here is to put on jewelry. So I like to use gold jewelry. You can use silver or something like that, but I like to use gold jewelry. And the key is to use very dainty jewelry. So yeah, the key is to just not do anything over the top and just to use really dainty stuff. And like I said, guys, this is just me. This is like my normal look. I love this trend. And then I have this dainty bracelet that I got from Ana Luisa. They sent it to me a while back, so I'm gonna put that on. Okay, so I have on my bracelet. I'm gonna put on my necklace, and as you guys can see, again, very dainty. And also, you guys, I wanted to show you this quickly. If you don't like jewelry that kind of like hangs like this, some people like chokers and jewelry that kind of just stays on their neck. My friend that is a YouTuber sent me this a couple weeks ago, and it's a necklace by Zara. She got it from Zara for me, and all you have to do is like kind of put a chunky necklace like this on, and this will also be really clean as well, because it's like very it's a chunky necklace, but it's very clean and there's not like too much going on. So thing, I'm going to put on some jewelry. Like your rings are needing to be dainty as well, and like this is the way I normally do it. And I have on all my jewelry. One other thing that I wanted to tell you guys is to make sure that your nails are looking nice. If you are trying to do the clean girl aesthetic and your nails are dirty, it's not gonna work out. What I like to do is I take a little bit of an oil, and this also helps your nails to grow. And I just put the oil on my cuticles. This is gonna give you a really nice, you know, look on your nails. They're not gonna be looking unhealthy. So one thing I wanted to mention as well, if you want to glow on the outside, make sure that you're glowing within as well by eating nutritious foods. So if you don't like drinking water, you can also hydrate by drinking fruits that are filled with water, such as strawberries, watermelon, because if you eat too much greasy foods, not saying that you can't have that occasionally, but if you eat too much of it, it's gonna start breaking out your face, and it's gonna start showing on the outside as well. So make sure that you're keeping a nice balance with your nutrition as well, so that you can already look glowy and you don't have to do much to like enhance it. Okay guys, so that is the completed look. I hope that this video was fun to watch, and you know, also you guys got a few tips that you can use in your daily routine. This is something that you can do daily. It's a very easy, versatile routine. You don't have to do the most, and this can honestly be a daily routine, especially if you're going to work, or even if you're like going out with friends or something like that. This is like a go-to look that you can do. You won't be bombarded with all these steps and things like that. It's just very simple things that you can do to look very put together. if you know what I mean. Let me know what you think about this clean girl aesthetic trend. Are you hopping on it? I love it because it's just normal for me. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys are going to be trying out this routine that I show you guys today. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this, where I'm just kind of like chilling out, showing you guys what I do to like on my daily routines and things like that. Let me know by giving this video a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.